oil Udder website, they're going to have you take the oil filter off, unthread it like I was, and then try to spin it. Now this filter turns. This is not a ram filter. This is a 103. This is a lawnmower filter. The rams take a 113A, so it's smaller. They're going to want you to take it off, spin it, and then let it drain, and then pull it out. Knock a hole in it with a screwdriver and a hammer through the bottom. It'll drain. Unthread it, just let it chill, and it'll drain. You can maybe tip it over a little bit, let it drain. And then, like I said, just pull it out like I did. We didn't even spill a drop. Really?
Like you're suiting up for surgery or something.
Well, yeah. Gonna get touch oil. I'm gonna get dirty. I gotta stay clean. Oil Udder. We'll swap it again. See his magnetic?
Mm-hmm.
Got a little magnet in there. So it's magnetic. Yeah, we need all this to do an oil change, unfortunately. Keeps knocking all this dirt off. Okay. You see anything from back there?
I see you.
You see the filter up here?
No.
Mind to get closer. Okay. Filter's loose. Hand loose. We're gonna want a drain pan, should be good. Come up in here.
Oh.
Catching in the drain pan good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It might splatter a little more. Might want it back. We're gonna try. A little bit of splatter is fine, but as long as it ain't going down my arm, I'm alright. I'd have to be on my back. Let's do this guy here. No, don't get on my fingers.
Going down your hand.
Yeah, it's trying, isn't it? Is this such a hard vehicle to do an oil change on? Stay up there. I'm trying to make a mess free. But this is the worst design ever.
There you go.
You start flowing more.
Oh, yeah.
Filter's getting loose. Might have finally done it. Don't want to off my gloves, so I got some grip. Yeah, just let it drain. But I mean, so far, I mean, we're doing good. I still don't like it. That oil filter is covered. It's coming off though. Oh. Drip, 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 drip. I scared it. It's got to be so close to coming off though, man. Only threads on it so far.
Down the glue.
Okay. You just thought it was done. There's more. There it is. I got the filter off. I just don't know what the best move is. Let's see if I can see what's dripping out of it. Not really. Well, I got our filter. Stay in the funnel. There we go. Clean. It might drip a little bit, but oh, it ain't even dripping. It's dripping a little bit. I'll take a few drips over wearing it. Time consuming, but that worked good. Oh wow. They wrapped it up for us. Look how nice that looks. A little bit of oil. I can go in this way then. Really? The reverse upside down right hand gets it, but not the straight on left hand. What an idiot. That's it. I'm gonna get back up there and, you know, put the German torque spec on that good and tight. We're done. Fill it with oil and send it. Look at that, dude. NoMess. Really? We've actually did it on a Hemi. Mm-hmm. Actually did it. Mm-hmm. So I don't know if you can see on the camera. See our hole? Is that coming picking up? Can maybe get the light on it here. See the hole?
Yep.
That really wasn't a good hole. It didn't go in all the way. I'm trying to hit it. You see how hard I hit it. But do that, let it drain, and leave it in. Let me put this up somewhere. As you got it in the funnel, and you come through the bottom, put a hole in it, let it drain, and then start unthreading. Because as you unthread it, this funnel's bigger than the filter. That oil will come over the lip and drain, and it'll come out your funnel. And you can even stop it, but I mean, it'll fill up fast, but it is what it is. Like I said, that's how strong the magnet is.
Where'd you get that funnel?
This funnel is a oil udder, oiludder.com. It's nice and flexible. You can shove it up in there, stick it on the filter, poke a hole in the bottom, reach around at the top, start unthreading it, and just be done. No mess. I mean, my arms aren't even dirty, other than what I got my arm wet, dripping. Works for me. This takes long. Good Lord. Yeah, it's tight. tighten this guy on by hand. That'll work. See what that all looks like up there. That looks good. Yeah, dude, that's the way to go right there. But man, it's that time, because if you think a dealer's doing that, no, dealer's going up there taking it off. You're getting oil on this, because this is your power steering rack. That's expensive. The fluid alone for this is like $90 a quart OEM. It's a special fluid because it's electric. This is your four-wheel drive actuator. These are your CV axles. And you do not want oil like we've been getting residue on this. We've had to replace this once. You do not want oil on any of this stuff. Oil is meant to be in the engine, not on anything else. So, that's it. It's a wrap.
You got your mixture there.
Are you recording me? Oh. Yeah, it's mixed. Mix. Oh, I got a towel. Cool. Don't know if I'm gonna be able to get you any more light.
That might fall.
Nothing on these new trucks is magnetic. I just wonder who put that on there. It's good practice to check your cap. Our cap's relatively clean, so we got no blow-by. Blow-by is no good. Secure that guy there. This is half a quart of the 5W30 Mobile 1, and it's half a quart of the Hot Shot Secret Stiction Eliminator. Kind of got that green color to it. And I know you like, cap says 520, 530. Runs better. Been running 5W30. Oh, I think we've been doing that for 130,000 miles. I've been doing that.
Mm-hmm. Got 147 on it now.
So yeah, 140,000. We bought it with 9,000 miles and started doing this. Oh, these don't have the... I seen a TikTok where a dude used the cap to do it. These don't do it. They're big. Man, get that guy out of here. Don't need that where we're going. More 5W30. That thing's not hardly attached. It's not going anywhere, but it's just cheap. That's how they build everything. I might actually be able to dump all this in these jugs and take it. But that was 5, 6, and Well, there's 2 quarts in here. I thought there was a quart in here. Oh, well, actually, let's do this. Make it easier. Because I need a half a quart in here so I can mix, right? Like I said in our other videos, I am part of an elite team. No funnels. Ignore the one on the engine. That one doesn't count. Don't look at it. No. Look back over here. There you go. Elite team. No funnel.
As it drips down the bottle.
You know what? I didn't say we were super elite. We're just elite. That's about half a quart. I'd rather have more Stiction Eliminator anyway. It's good stuff. It's not snake oil. A lot of people will tell you it is. Actually, I don't know. I don't know if I'm holding that level or not. Poured right about half a quart. Fill this guy up. Wait a minute, did you just put 7.5 quarts in? I did. Over 7 quarts. Oh yeah. Filling her up. Right to the gills. When you got a bad rear main seal, you gotta compensate somehow. Just add more. Usually fixes it. Temporarily. Like I feel like pulling the engine and transmission to do a rear main. Could think of about 3 other things I'd rather do than do a rear main. Always clean where you're working so you don't look like a slack. Throw that guy on. That's torqued to German. It's good and tight. Dude, it is. That's a spec for a lot of stuff. It's a wrap on that. Fire it up. That's what we put in there. Half a quart of this, and half a quart of the motor oil. And then I think on here, 4 ounces per quart for the initial, and then maintenance is 2 ounces per quart. Because I've had people tell me this is a diesel product. Oh, it's only for the diesels. That safe and effective in gasoline and diesel engines, semi trucks, pickup trucks, farm equipment, and autos. I mean, he's even got Volkswagen and Audi on there. Synthetic oils, engine oils. Do not use with any other additives. It's good stuff. Been running it for 140,000 miles. I use it in the older truck, and I use it in my brand new Toyota. I've been running this since it's had 300 miles on it. Did a brake and oil change. Same thing, half a quart of this, half a quart of oil. Mix it up, dump it in. Alright, so have your key with you. Put the cup holder, foot off the brake, accessory, run, hit your gas pedal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Off, open your door to reset the truck, close it, foot on the brake. starting to rain. Yeah, she's a little over the top, Dot. But that's what a half quart will do to you. But when you got a rear main leak, you just gotta do what you gotta do. You know? Put in thicker oil and put in more oil. More of anything is always the right answer. I think Gandhi said that.
I'll go by Gandhi.
I think he said that. Oh, you ain't using this, have you?
It's been raining every day.
Top off if you
We're in
do.
Florida.
Battery's looking good. That's what, a 3-year-old battery?
I think so.
Or a 2?
I don't know.
Now you're supposed to punch the holes out, but
Didn't do that, did you?
oh, that's a Continental battery.
Oh.
AGM Plus. Good battery. 850 crank amps. More than a semi. Semi's got 700.
Don't forget about your light on top.
I did not go as far as I wanted to.